Flame on! Unraveling English Phrases. Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into a fun and somewhat informal phrase in the English language, flame on. By the end of this video, you'll understand its origins, meanings, and how to use it correctly. Flame on is a phrase that has been around for quite some time. Originally, it became popularized by the Marvel Comics character Johnny Storm, also known as the Human Torch. Whenever Johnny wanted to ignite his flame powers, he would shout, "Flame on," as a command. Over time, like many pop culture references, the phrase started being used in more general contexts outside of comic books. Today, flame on can be used in a couple of ways. 1. Literally, in reference to igniting something, especially when done with enthusiasm or excitement. E.g., when camping. As soon as we had our firewood ready, it was time to flame on. 2. Figuratively, to express sudden anger or an intense reaction to something. Similar to phrases like, seeing red, or blowing a fuse. E.g., when he heard the bad news, he totally flamed on. 3. In the world of internet culture, flaming refers to sending aggressive, derogatory, or confrontational messages. So, flame on could be used to start or engage in an online argument. However, this usage is less common and can be region-specific. While flame on is a catchy and fun phrase to use, be aware of the context. It's important to 1. Know your audience. It's an informal phrase, so you might not want to use it in a very formal setting or with people unfamiliar with Western pop culture references. 2. Avoid using it in sensitive situations. If someone is actually angry or upset, jokingly saying, "flame on," might not be received well. 3. Remember its origins. Knowing that it originated from a comic book character can help you gauge if it's appropriate to use in certain conversations. Some might appreciate the reference, while others may not understand it. There you have it. Now you're well equipped with the knowledge of the phrase, flame on. It's always fun to learn these little nuggets of language that add flavor to our conversations. Remember to use it wisely and in the right context. Hope you found this explainer helpful, and stay tuned for more fascinating English phrases in our upcoming videos.